I'm going to be reacting two very common chemicals, brake fluid and pool chlorine. I'm going to be mixing these chemicals together in roughly equal proportions and then leaving it to sit in the middle of this fireplace and standing back and waiting. What's happening on a basic level is that the brake fluid is a hydrocarbon, a very long hydrocarbon because it's an oil, and the pool chlorine is going to break apart the brake fluid into smaller, more combustible hydrocarbons. Alright, I decided to attempt this one more time. This time I didn't use a pop can, and I took an old whipped cream bottle and cut the top off with an angle grinder. I think because of the fact that it had a chance to sit for much longer, there was a much better burn. This one burned almost like a rocket, and I was very surprised.
Clean up crew. Soap and water fixes all.